1852, Virginia, April 29th, 2026. Starting at the house trap, pulling back to a clean out in the stack, located inside the back of the basement. ABS plastic piping broken in this section.